हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू योर सोशल साइंस क्लास। जैसे कि आपके एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए आपके पास बहुत कम टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ना होता है और अभी तो ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम्स चल रहे हैं, तो मैंने एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में आपके सारे चैप्टर को कवर किया है। इसी से आपका पूरा रिवीजन हो जाएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। और आज का टॉपिक है क्लास 8 जियोग्राफी चैप्टर 1 रिसोर्सेस। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1. Which of these have some utility? Water, electricity, vegetables, all of these. And your correct answer will be all of these. Okay, make sure you have your pen and notebook with you. Write your answers. First listen your question, then write your answer. And finally, after completion of this quiz, comment your score in comment box. Okay, question number 2. Which of these have economic value? Landscape, home remedies, metals, none of these. इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू आर्थिक मूल्य कौन सा है इनमें से, किसमें है? तो इसका आंसर होगा करेक्ट आंसर मेटल्स। मेटल्स हैव इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Resources are distributed unequally over the earth because of the different natural conditions, level of developments, technological levels, all of these. And the correct answer will be all of these. Question number 4. Resources drawn from nature and used without much modification are called human-made resources, natural resources, cultural resources, or none of these. And your correct answer will be natural resources. These are natural resources. Question number 5. The basis of classification of resources are level of development and use, origin, stock and distribution, all of these. And your correct answer will be all of these. Question number 6. The resources whose quantities are known named as potential resources, actual resources, stock resources, or all of these. So these are actual resources. Quantity are known. Quantity is known है तो actual resources. Question number 7. Give an example of biotic resources. Your options are rocks, minerals, soils, animals. Biotic, bio life, जिसमें life है. Animals. So animals is correct answer. Question number 8. Coal is an example of renewable resources, non-renewable resources, human resources, potential resources. So इनका लिमिटेड स्टॉक होता है, बहुत टाइम बाद ये बनते हैं, तो ये किसका एग्जाम्पल है? नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज का. Coal is an example of non-renewable resources. Question number 9. Technology is an example of natural resources, human-made, both A and B, none of these. So this will be human-made resources. Question number 9. This is an example of human-made resources. Question number 10. Resources used carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called. रिसोर्स को केयरफुली यूज करना और उसको रिन्यू होने के लिए टाइम देना क्या कहलाता है? योर ऑप्शंस आर रिसोर्सेज डिप्लीशन, रिसोर्सेज कंजर्वेशन, रिसोर्सेज पॉल्यूशन, नन ऑफ दिस. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रिसोर्स कंजर्वेशन, संरक्षण, संसाधन संरक्षण. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. बैलेंसिंग द नीड्स to use resources and also conserve them for future generation is called development, devaluation, sustainable development, all of these. And your correct answer will be sustainable development. Now we will see some questions in Google Forms. You can see the options, so I will not tell options, I will directly tell the answers. Name the term that can collectively refer to consist of all living and non-living things that surrounded an organism. Your options are here. You can see. and the correct answer will be environment. Pick out the correct word from the given list of options and complete the following statement. A is anything that can be used to satisfy human wants and has a value. And correct answer will be resource. Resources include. You can see the options here. You can pause the video and you can see all the options, and the correct answer will be option number 4. Things present in an environment and which human directly use, and things which human transform into usable materials to satisfy their needs. Question number 4. Water, electricity, rickshaw, etc. have all something in common. They have been used by people and hence they are all these are examples of what they have common thing: utility. What makes an object or substance a resource is called. To be a resource, what is necessary? Utility. Again, utility. This is the correct answer. Then question number 6. Some resources have economic value. From the given list of options with respect to the given context, which one is closest in meaning to the word value? And your correct answer will be worth. Worth is similar to value. Question number 7. Grandmother's home remedies have no commercial value but can be patented and sold to become economically valuable. What exactly is the meaning of the word patent from the following list of options? And you can see the options. You can pause the video and see the all options. Now I will tell the correct answer. The exclusive right over an idea or invention. किसी एक ही का sole right होता है उस idea पे, वो पेटेंट. लोग चीज़ों का पेटेंट करवाते हैं अपने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. From the following, which one can be described as a best example for having an economic value? And you can see all options. And correct answer will be resource like iron and manganese. Question number 9. With regard to the resources, a few statements are given. Which one among the following is not true? Okay. See the word not. कौन सा इनमें से true नहीं है? And you can see all are the true. Only one is not true. I will tell that one. And this is people are not considered as an important resource. This is not true. It is false. Peoples are also considered as resource. They are human resources. Now, question number 10. Name the term given to the resources that are drawn from the nature and used without much modification. Without modification they can used. And these resources are called, your answer will be natural resources. Again we will start from 1 to 5. Question number 1. Which one of the following does not make substance a resource? Quantity. नोट आया है. कौन है जो किसी को रिसोर्स नहीं बनाता है? इसमें ऑप्शन आंसर होगा क्वांटिटी. कोल एंड पेट्रोलियम्स आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ, दीज आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ऑल द लिविंग थिंग्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन बायोटिक रिसोर्सेज. नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज आर दोज विच हैव अ non-renewable limited stock. Resources which found in a region but not have been utilized. Potential resources. अब के एग्जाम्स में ट्रू फॉल्स भी पूछे जाते हैं, तो इनको भी हम देख लेते हैं. स्टेट वेदर ट्रू और फॉल्स. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज हैव अनलिमिटेड स्टॉक. दिस इज ट्रू और फॉल्स? सो दिस इज ट्रू. ये सही है. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. The uranium found in Ladakh is an example of potential resources. Potential resources जिनकी क्वांटिटी हमें पता नहीं होती है. So यूरेनियम जो लद्दाख में मिलता है, दिस इज ट्रू और फॉल्स? यस, दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. ये करेक्ट है. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3. Abiotic resources are found everywhere. This is also true. ये भी true है. Air is commercially valuable. या एयर से भी हम एनर्जी बना रहे हैं, इससे लाइट बनती है, तो ये कॉमर्शियली वैल्यूएबल है. यस, दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. Statement number 5. Human resources refers to the number and abilities of the people. This is true. ये भी true है. 6. Resources are equally distributed all over the earth. This is not true. ये false है. Now we will see the fill in the blanks type questions. So question number 1. Dash resources are derived from living things. Which resources? So these are biotic resources. Okay, इस blank जगह में आएगा biotic. Localized resources are found only in specific certain places. We can say certain places. Question number 3. The example of human resource is people. लोग हैं human resource का example. Now question number 4. Solar and wind energy is an example of renewable resources. अब लिख लेना ये. Question number 5. Anything that is used to satisfy a need is called a resource. This is called a resource. Now 7. Is the application of latest knowledge and skill is doing or making things. What is this? क्या है इस जगह? Technology. This will be technology. टेक्नोलॉजी है, तकनीकी है. Thus we discussed so many questions of this chapter. Now I have one question for you. What percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy 1952? और इसका आंसर मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, आप सभी लोग कमेंट करके इसका आंसर बताएंगे, तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि जो मैं आपके लिए इतनी मेहनत से वीडियोस बना रही हूँ वो आपके कुछ काम आ रहे हैं, आप इनको देख भी रहे हो लास्ट तक या नहीं. जो कमेंट नहीं करेगा मैं समझ जाऊंगी आपने ये पूरा एंड तक नहीं देखा. ओके, सो थैंक यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम्स. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.